Hello everyone. If IntelliJ IDEA shows no JDK found or your Java program doesn't run, this video will fix it. In the next few minutes, we are going to install IntelliJ IDEA on Windows 11 without errors with JDK included. So first we are going to install Java JDK. Next we are going to install IntelliJ IDEA. Next we are going to run a Java program on IntelliJ IDEA. So this activity we are going to do step by step. So please stay with me till the end of the video. So let's get started. So first we need to install Java JDK because without it IntelliJ cannot run Java program. So open your favorite browser and search for Java JDK download. You will see many download options, but don't worry, I am going to tell you exactly which one to choose. We are going to download JDK 17. I am choosing version 17 because it is stable as it has long-term support, which means it is safe and recommended for beginners. So now open this link in new tab. So after opening the link, scroll down a little bit, you will see different operating systems download options. So since I am using Windows, I will select Windows installer. If you are using different operating systems, you can choose accordingly. So click on the download link and the download will start. So after download completed, open it. So you will see the setup page, click on next. So it will install Java in C program files Java JDK 17. If you want to install in another directly, you can just click change here and select the path. As of now, I will keep the same path. Click on next. So it successfully installed JDK version. So after successful installation, how we can verify whether it is successfully installed or not? Go to File Manager, C drive, Program Files, Java. You can see JDK 17 version is installed here. Double click on it. Double click on build folder. So you can see these are the necessary files which is needed for JDK, and it also contains the tools such as Java, Java C, Java doc, which is used for compiling the program. So that's how we have verified it is successfully installed. So even though Java is installed, you will still get the error Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. Let me show you. Click on start, open CMD and type Java C. So you can see here Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. So this error happens because Windows does not know where Java is installed. Java is present on the system, but its path is not added to environment variable. So once we add the Java path correctly, this error will disappear. So go to start, search edit the system environment variables, just open it, click on environment variables, click on path, click on edit. So Java is installed inside the folder C program files Java JDK 17 bin. We need to add this bin folder to the system path. So if you have command prompt open before setting the path, make sure you close it and open it again. Otherwise these changes will not take effect. So let's go to CMD and close this terminal. So copy this path, go to environment variables, click on edit, paste the path, click on OK, click on OK, click on OK. Now go to start and search for CMD again and open it. Now let me type Java C again. So friends, if you see this output, it means Java is installed and configured correctly. So friends, I am building this channel for Java beginners. So I have created a complete playlist from scratch, from setup to real Java projects. If this sounds useful to you, you can subscribe my channel so that you will never miss an update for my upcoming videos. Now that Java is installed and working, let's install IntelliJ IDEA and connect it with the JDK. So open your browser and search for IntelliJ IDEA download. So click on this link. I will open this link in new tab. So you might be wondering where is the community edition download link. Starting with the new version of IntelliJ IDEA, JetBrains has combined the community and ultimate editions into a single installer. The IDE you download here still had all the free features you need for Java. You don't have to pay or log in it to use it. So if you want some extra features, there is an optional trial or subscription, but for learning Java and running program, the free features are enough. So since I am using Windows, I will download the Windows installer. So click on download. So now once download is completed, just open it. So now you can see here IntelliJ IDEA setup page. Click on next. Now you can see the destination folder, and by default directory to install IntelliJ IDEA is C drive. But you can choose your directory accordingly. Just click on browse and select the directory which you want. Here, and also remember here that the space required to install IntelliJ IDEA is 4 GB. So choose your directory accordingly. So I will click on next here, and here you can see create desktop shortcut. Just check mark this option and leave all the other options as it is and click on next. Now click on install. So installation of IntelliJ IDEA has started. It will take some time. So after installation is completed successfully, you will see this page. So you can see here it is run IntelliJ IDEA. Just check mark this and click on finish. Now click on new project and give the name of Java program. I am giving here first Java program. Then click on create. So now you will see the screen like your free ultimate subscription trial is active, and it is showing for me 24 days left because I have previously also installed IntelliJ IDEA. So 24 days are left for me. But don't worry, I will show you something. Just scroll down and you can just read this first FAQ. Your doubts will be cleared. So now go to SRC, right click, select new Java class, give the name I am here giving as test. Click on enter. Now press enter and type main and press Ctrl spacebar. You will get this option. Press enter. Now write S out. Again press enter. So in order to print some message in Java, we need to write system.out.println, and inside in double quotes we need to pass any message. So now I have printed a string welcome to Vaibhav Code Lab, and second follow Vaibhav Code Lab for more Java learning. So let's see whether it is getting printed properly or not on console. So now do right click and run test.main class. So now if you see this output on the console, it means your Java program runs successfully. So guys, if you really found this video helpful, please like the video, share the video to your friend circles, and subscribe to my channel. I have given complete Java playlist in the description box, and if you have any doubts regarding this video, you can put your doubts in the comment section. So whenever I get free times, I can look into it and solve your queries. Happy learning with Java, and see you in the next video.